Hi there, this is Ali at SafeNet, talking about license management. So everything that relates to management of your license as a vendor, as an ISV, will be done using the EMS, which stands for Entitlement Management System. Entitlement, like this is the entitlement to use several or specific license terms. So this tool, which is installed on your machine as part of the LDK that we provide to you, this tool, as a matter of fact, will make sure that the license inside the protection key will be the license as you want. Also, you will be able to change or to make updates for a license that exists in a protection key, even if the protection key is a remote one and already connected to the end user machine somewhere in the world. Even though you will be able to use the EMS to create an update license, send it to the end user who will be able to apply this license and make the changes according to your desire. So this EMS, if I want to see it further, as a matter of fact, this EMS has a database inside. The database keeps all the tracks of what you do with the EMS in order for you to make records of what was done. For instance, you will have that in this database customer details, your customers that are going to take or to get licenses, or customers who have already received their licenses. Also, you will have the list of all the features that you are going to use, the products, and of course the entitlements that you have sent to your customers. Now, the EMS can directly burn a license onto the connected key, but the EMS can also burn a license onto a key that is already exists on the end user machine. In order to do so, there is a mechanism of file V2C and C2V. V2C is vendor to customer and C2V is customer to vendor. What will happen is that if I would like as an ISV to update the license on a remote machine which the end user has, I will create using DMS an update license. Let's say, what is an update license? For instance, I want to make sure that the key, the protection key, will also have feature number 7, and it doesn't have right now. So what I will do in the EMS, I will say, yes, I want to update that feature 7 will be on this particular key, and it goes only for a particular key. And this will create a V2C file. It's a file which is encrypted. No one can manipulate it afterwards. I'll send this V2C to the end user, and the end user will use another tool that we have, RAS, which stands for Remote Update System. It's a tool that the end user will use to take the V2C and burn the license onto his key. Also, I can check the information on this key. I can ask for the end user, please provide me your C2V file. So this tool, Haspras, will also be able to take the information from his end user key and create a C2V file, also encrypted, and provide it to me as a vendor. And then in the EMS, I will be able to see the details, what's going on exactly on this key. So I have a full control of what's going on there and can see everything that it is there. So to sum up, EMS is the tool that you are going to use in order to create all the management of your licenses. Thank you for watching.